We hear the term heirloom seeds a lot these days, especially during seed starting season when gardeners and farmers are looking to get a jump on the season. But have you ever really stopped to think about what heirloom seeds actually mean? And does it really matter? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about in today's video. And as we do, a shout out to Exmark, the makers of professional mowing equipment, for sponsoring this video. To set the stage, it helps to understand that about 90% of all the seeds that were in existence at the turn of the 1900s are gone forever, basically extinct. And that's because the fruit that was producing those seeds was no longer being saved by the companies that were selling them. So they fell out of favor, they were no longer in trade, and we totally lost track of them. As seed companies consolidated, so did their product offerings. So in their efforts to streamline their businesses, many of the favorite seed varieties from generations past were left behind and taken out of commerce. Fortunately, some of those generational favorites were still being saved by families and passed down from one generation to the next, which in many cases is the only reason they're still around today. And now it's more important than ever to protect that genetic diversity in light of such consolidation in the seed market. So what is it about an heirloom seed that makes it so loved by gardeners and seed starters and people that just really appreciate it for its special qualities? Well, for starters, in order to qualify as an heirloom seed, it has to have been passed down for multiple generations, and it has to have some quality that makes it worthy of standing the test of time. Now, the generally accepted length of time for an heirloom to qualify as such is 50 years, although that's no set rule, but that is the generally accepted length of time. And one of the save-worthy reasons is if it has a story. Now, the story doesn't have to be elaborate, but it doesn't hurt if it is, because it just adds to the allure and the appeal. If it's worth saving from one generation to the next, what about it makes it worth the effort? It's usually a special trait or quality that makes it so, and it's often and usually the flavor. Heirloom fruit always seems to taste the best. It could be for its unique qualities of its flower, or for how it grows in a certain region, or maybe it's the size. But whatever, it's the combination of story and worthiness of being saved that qualifies it as an heirloom seed. One of the coolest aspects about heirloom flowers and fruits is that what we enjoy about them today is exactly what our parents enjoyed, and their parents and our great-grandparents. So all the effort that went into saving them and passing them down through generations, the reason that they love them, we get to experience that very same thing today. And the reason for that is that they come true to seed. That means you can save the seed and it's going to produce an identical flower or fruit in the next generation to come. That is not the case with modern hybrid vegetables and flowers. So maintaining these treasured heirloom varieties by saving their seed is the only way to keep them going. And we need to do that now more than ever. Well, this is a seed tray of Black Krim heirloom tomatoes. This is from what I sowed about 6 weeks ago, and now they're ready to plant. I love heirloom varieties. I've been gardening nearly all my life, and this is my favorite type of plant to put into the garden. All the effort that went into passing them down from generation to generation, the unique colors, the flavors, the textures, and it doesn't hurt to have a great story to go with it. And I love doing my part to keep that going for generations to come. Thanks for watching today's video, and be sure to check out Exmark's Backyard Life website, where you can watch more videos from me, as well as other useful rural lifestyle, outdoor living and cooking, and lawn and garden content.